successful trading.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring flow algo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello folks, welcome to Successful Tradings here. I am just taking the time here to make a quick video. Actually, I'm gonna go back-to-back videos on how to enter a bullish trade in the morning and trade the trend, meaning for day trading on options, obviously, using the VWAP off of TradingView. So really, the goal is to just give you 3 sets of conditions that need to be met in order for you to take a bullish trade and day trade. At the end of the day, you decide if you want to string trade it, whatever profit that you got off of it. This is something that I've been teaching part of our one-on-one coaching, and instead of me repeating it for our growing number of subscribers, so I want to make sure that it's very heavily available to our subscriber, but also to the rest of the traders out there, right? Because this is something that if you really master it, you can trade anything confidently. You just come in the morning, you wait for your rules to the simple rule to be fulfilled, to be validated, confirmed. Yeah, it's a confirmation of a direction, and you just go from there. So I'm doing actually this video while the market is still live. So this is SPY right now. So this morning we had traders looking at it. I'm gonna use SPY. I'm gonna use a Facebook as well and WIN, because those three this morning they exemplify that. The first thing that you need is obviously to have your setup here on TradingView. So you have your Bollinger Band, you have your moving average, exponential moving average 8, moving average 20, and you have your VWAP, more importantly. If you do not have this as of now, please find a way to get that. I'm not sure I've done a video, so just go through my these videos on here. We have a full video on how to set this up on TradingView. We have done that. We did that a long time ago. But here, really, the purpose is that once you have that in place, you come in the morning. What will you be looking for? What are the sets of conditions that need to be fulfilled in order for you to confidently trade a bullish direction using VWAP as one of the main indicators? So I'm going to be writing them actually in a box on here so that we see them. I had them earlier, but I removed them. So those conditions gonna be telling us. So this is 15 minutes, right? So 15 minutes. I'm gonna be putting something here that, hey, this was your entry for you to bullishly trade that. Trade this direction here. As you can see here, it will have given you some decent profits on there. And then I'm going to illustrate it on 2 other charts as well. But let's go ahead and just do them. So I'm going to be looking at the text on here. Yeah. So is that the text that I want? So for me, my claim is that. So what's the high of this candle? The high of this candle is 301.73. When this candle actually reach that, I mean, it's really safe, meaning that we wait for confirmation, my friend. That's what it is. So rule number 1, or condition number 1, we need to be trading price is above VWAP. VWAP, if you don't know what that means, volume weighted average price. So that means price above, yeah, so that's condition number 1. Condition number 2, we are price is posting higher highs. Really, those are the 2 main things if you really think about it. Now, if you are the other potential things that you are looking for, what else? Let's say first candle was bullish. That's add it a little bit, but not necessarily, because SPY actually this morning was a big head fake. First candle was very bearish. So, and these you can trade them on gaps, especially on gap situation, really, right? Because I'm going to do the reverse of this, which is the condition for to go for put, meaning to be bearish. So price above VWAP. I know I'm forgetting one here. Price above VWAP. The price is posting higher highs. The stock is price above VWAP. Stock is posting higher high. Stock's that easier to spell. Stock is posting higher high. Again, this is on 15-minute charts. Okay, so higher highs on 15 minutes. The reason we are using 15-minute chart, we don't want any false positive. People ask me about that. VWAP is the same on all time frames, so we don't have to worry about that. So what else on here? There was a third thing on here. Yeah, this third one, potentially third one, let's put it maybe between parentheses. It really doesn't matter. I mean, you should have put it maybe as one, but it doesn't matter really for you. So you are waiting. So, and if at all possible, has there been a retest? So then perfect entry retest of VWAP, for instance. Retest. Can we put that on here? So retest of VWAP and close above VWAP after that retest on retest. I hope I can illustrate that on here. Close above VWAP. Okay, so is it are they all of them? So okay, I'm gonna put it on there. And is there a way for me? Oh, I didn't have a collar. Okay, so if my collar goes, so here's a 15-minute. The first candle on here, we slightly, this was for Friday, right? So we gapped up slightly, but this first candle is bearish. So meaning that that's why I'm putting it between parentheses, that if that's the case, hey, it gives you. So here we didn't know. It's a matter of being patient. This candle closes above VWAP. How do we know that? We're looking at the close on here. So the close is 360. VWAP is at 308. Where am I reading VWAP? I'm reading my VWAP on here. Okay. So, and then for you then, because you have had two candles, it's really a matter of patience, guys. And this thing, trust me, when you enter this trade, it's a matter of how strong is the momentum to you to just carry that momentum as you're seeing on here. So now the thing for you is that you're going to be entering you will be getting confirmation after the stock posts a higher high, a new high of the day. The previous high of the day here was 301.71. So you will have put an alert on here to say, hey, when the price, and then that happened on this candle, when the price is above 301.71. So on this candle, that's fulfilled. You get your entry on here. Now you are even, because of the nature of this, that it took 45 minutes, you are above VWAP, you are above exponential moving average 8, you are above exponential moving average 20. My friend, you don't have any natural resistance other than the Bollinger Band. You can roll. Your first target going to be the Bollinger Band. And you saw as we get there, we came back and retested, got support here, confirmation, and then we carry on. On SPY, I mean, this move of 301 from, let's say, 301.73 here, 302 to 304 that we just touched in, it's not giving you much, right? Okay, that's fine. So you could say, can I copy this? Yes, I can copy this. Fine, it's not giving me much. But let me show you another stock where actually it would have given you mucho grosso, mucho grande stuff. Look at this one here. Can I paste this here? Does it allow me to paste it? Yeah, paste text. Fantastic, fabuloso. All right. So here, folks, first candle, yeah, it's green. And we have buyers because look, the stock went all the way to 207.01, but we closed at 210. That's a good sign. So based on our conditions here, first candle was bullish. Yes, okay. But we are not super excited. The second candle is posting higher highs. We are above VWAP. We can enter this trade. Our worry now is going to be clearing the next level, the first level of resistance, which is the exponential moving average 8 period. Upon doing that, we have been cruising. And notice the retest. This was a late retest. Typically, they will do that on this candle or on this candle. The retest of the VWAP didn't happen. So we posted higher highs, the price above VWAP, and new high of the day. So yeah, posting higher highs or posting new high of the day. So this thing, you will have been able to ride this thing here from 114 to 220, above 220. I'm trading those options right now. I'm in Facebook right now trading it. I would have told you we're gonna be doing a video there, but let me share briefly the screen of one of the options that I'm using here. So my entry was, this is 60 minutes, so it doesn't, okay, let's look at 15 minutes to match it up. So, but for me, I had a late entry. Trust me, I was busy doing something else. You could have entered at 43 cents somewhere here. I think I entered 40 something, but in a method, I mean, you even had a better entry because 33, my friend, is most likely this candle. Can we count the number of candles? That's the 8th candle, right? So this is 15 minutes as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm counting this candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, okay. So you got an entry. You could have gotten an entry here for 30 something. So how do you could tell me that, hey, how do I prepare for this retest if it doesn't happen right away and I have to take my trade? You do what we call scaled entry, meaning that if I have $100 to spend on this trade, I'm going to put only 50% on because I know at some point they're going to do a retest of VWAP. So, and then when that retest of VWAP confirm, we close above it, and on this candle, I add more again. So in that case, there wasn't that much difference. 0.45 cents, 0.36 cents, or 33 cents, no problem. But now, this option, my friend, it just traded at $1 and something. Are you making me a liar here, or was it not $1? Yeah. I'm looking at the price here. My eyes got stuck on the live one on here, where it's just 104. So if you enter at 43.104, my friend, this is a cool 100%. You master this technique. You can apply it every single day. But the question is, do you know which stock that you can apply it on? How about you come to Successful Trading? We give you a set of stuff that we know they're going to be making this type of move every single week, consistently. So you are ready with this knowledge to take your trading to the next level. One more for the road. Let's see. Let me copy this and copy or clone. And, oh my goodness, I almost get me into, this is it here. Same thing. This one, it mirrors, the first candle mirrors SPY. So this is win, all right, folks? So you open in, you don't care what happened the previous day or whatever, you are waiting for your condition. So this candle tells you, there were some buyers, so maybe they gave it away a little bit. This candle, we are not ready to make a decision yet. Why? Look at our conditions. We close above VWAP, but we have not posted a new high of the day yet. That happened somewhere here. So I'm going to go here and put a call out and say that the perfect entry would have been somewhere here in the middle of this candle. Why will it be taking the top of the candle necessarily? Come on now. So perfect entry, perfect confident entry into the trade. And then the other thing that we advise our traders, we can give that all away here. We are using the chart of the option when our conditions are met. So somewhere in the middle of this candle, because we are trading above 69.32, so 69.50 thereabout, where you will have put your alerts and to say, okay, I'm going long. You clear this resistance like there was no tomorrow. And then from there, my friend, you know resistance is going to be the upper Bollinger Band. That's classic, right? But you're in this trade. So far, there's no reason to panic because you have been making money. You just ride it along. So how many points will we have gotten on here? So the high on here was 69.50 thereabouts, right? So and then we take the trade. Let's say if we run it up that you were late, you waited for the end of this candle, 69.74. That's the close here. I'm reading it here. So 70 right now we just touched 74. You got 4 points on here, my friend. Those options would have given you a cool 100, more than 100%, just like we saw on Facebook. This is how we do it at successfultrading.com. But you need, now that you have this knowledge, how to get to find the stocks every single day or every single week consistently. That's how ready to make this move, and you apply this knowledge to take advantage of it. We will be supplying you that through our subscription trade alerts at Successful Trading. So join us, like, share with your friend on social media so that we can continue to cater the content of this channel to your liking. See you next time.